Hey everybody, Josh Latham with Advanced Realty and the Indie Home Pros team. We're here today with a homeowner of one of our most unique listings on the west side of Indianapolis at 2600 North Raceway. Over 4,000 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, and 3 kitchens. And we wanted to ask you, what was it that really drew you to this beautiful property from the get-go?
Well, I'm a musician, and the first thing that drew me to this listing, aside from the beautiful setting and the trees, was this room actually, because it has a separate entrance, it's very beautiful, it's a perfect space to have a studio where I can have students come in, I can have a rehearsal. Even though it's on a main road and it's close to Avon, Brownsburg, Speedway, all the highways, you'll notice you don't hear a thing in here. No, you never hear traffic. It's so quiet.
This plays off really nicely into what is the main and formal living room area, which we should really go check out.
Absolutely.
Alrighty.
So this is the main living room, which I have turned into my music studio. This room is fantastic. I have to say, it has all the space that I need, good acoustics to teach. The space is warm, but it's also very finished and polished now. Every house is kind of a journey, and this one has been very interesting and challenging, but the finished product, I have to say, is really, really beautiful. I just adore this space. Let's look at the kitchen and the dining room because I want you to see the flow of the downstairs.
Okay. All right.
You know, as I said, I've had a lot of parties and house concerts. People absolutely love this space. You can easily fit 30 people. It does not feel crowded at all. And you can also have 4 or 5 people here, and it does not feel like you're in an empty space. It feels as though it's very homey and you just are having a nice time hanging out. It's a very comfortable house. So this is the room that I'm currently using as my downstairs office. I love the windows. When you raise the shades, you can see the whole backyard. It's got great storage. It is very insulated because the house is so old. The walls are thick. I can be in here, I cannot hear a thing that's happening upstairs. Nobody can hear me, even if I have stereo speakers blasting to listen to something. So this is my bedroom, which is one of my favorite spots in the second floor. Has fantastic windows, and I love seeing the sunrise in the morning. I love seeing the colors change. It has a lot of space. Has a huge walk-in closet, which I love. Aside from wardrobe, I can stuff suitcases, whatever in there, extra blankets. It's a fantastic space. Has a gorgeous coffee and wine set up over here with a little kitchenette. So coming out of the bedroom, this is a great, could be second bedroom. A lot of people who have seen the listing have commented that it would be a great nursery because you can have a child very close to you but still have your own space. And of course here we have the second guest suite, which also has its own kitchen and bath. So we're gonna walk around and meet Josh. The flower beds are filled with perennial gardens, and the flower beds have been put in, they're all new, and they match the stones that are in the patio out back. So people can come in from the driveway, they can meet you right in the back, come to the patio if you're having a lunch or a party. It's fantastic. So this patio was designed around this tree, which was originally overgrowing the house, and I was heartbroken that it had to come down. And I thought of the Shel Silverstein book, The Giving Tree, and we decided to build a patio right around it. It's also very, very quick to just get over to the dog run. It has beautiful roses and honeysuckle growing around it, so the dogs have lots of shade. And it's a very quick walk into the kitchen.